Okay, we're going to go for a ride. But first, I guess I need to introduce you to my cat. Hey, Butthead. That's his name. His name's Butthead. Look. He's a good kitty. He's got a funny little tail. And, yeah. Sometimes he's in the wrong place at the wrong time, though. Okay, I just fired up. And what this is an Isuzu. And it's a rodeo, but it's also a turbo diesel, which you can't get in this country. It's got a trooper motor in it. All right, let's see what we got here. I'm gonna turn the headlights on, or the wipers on me or something. So I've got an electric gate, which is kind of nice. And so when it's time to go, come or go, you can see the opener on that on the outside, and then there's an opener right here. And we also have remotes in the other cars. That doesn't sound good. It's a 92, so okay, don't tell anybody my code. Go. It takes its time to open up. And we'll go over here. I'm just gonna walk around, and I want to talk to you about something here. About bug out vehicles. What do you think a good bug out vehicle is? And what do you think? Should I keep this one or should I sell it? I'll explain that in a second. This is my kind of road. We got stuff growing in the road. The reason I'm here is because of lack of population. If you're going to consider moving, you might want to think about population density. And that's what we did before we moved out here.